Surprise medical bills are a big problem, but the insurance companies and their cronies in Congress only care about big profits at our expense. Thankfully, Congresswoman Lucy McBath is leading the fight against big insurance and their rate-setting scheme. She understands that a massive handout to the big health insurance companies is a terrible idea, and there's a smarter solution for surprise medical billing. So thank you, Congresswoman McBath, for fighting for patients and putting people over profits.